everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are new over here, my name is Sarala. So I'm really excited because today is day 1 of 7 days speaking English challenge, right? I'm so happy you are here. If you are still here means you're really serious about this language and trying to speak this language, right? Let me tell you what this day 1 challenge is all about. But before that, I want to ask one thing, guys. So please give it a like and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, so I already made a video about this challenge, right? So please go and watch that video so that you know what is this challenge is all about, right? So I'll leave the link in the description and also I can mention in the iCards, right? So without wasting your precious time, let's dive into the video. Today's challenge is describing about your day. You might think that it is just a routine. There is nothing challenge in it, right? You might think like this. Yes, you might describe about your day a lot of times, right? But let me tell you what you have to do when you are describing your day. Okay, so here is the challenging points you should keep remembering. Okay, so you should keep remember when you are describing about your day. So let me tell you what are the points or what are the questions. Okay, so point number 1 is, what did you do in the morning? What did you eat today? And did you go out or stay at home? And how was your mood today? And also, you can explain about your day. It was a bad day, why it was? Or it was a good day, why it was? And did anything exciting happen? Then you can explain about it. Or difficulty thing happened, you can explain about it. Okay, so why I'm giving like this? Because when you are describing your whole day, if you have any questions or if you have any points in your brain, then there is a possibility to describe about a lot. Okay, so if you have any question, then you have to give answer for that question, right? So there is a place to talk more in English. Okay, so that's why I'm giving these points to you. So if you can describe about your whole day, like I woke up at early in the morning and I brushed my teeth. So we have all doing these things since our school days, right? So this is not the time to describe about your whole day like that. Okay, so try to add something interesting or personal or real. Okay, so now I'm going to explain about my whole day and I'll give a demo on it, right? So let's get started. Woke up today at 6:30 a.m. And first I brush my teeth, then I do meditation, and after that I made a tea for myself. Then I sat down on a chair with my cup of tea. Then I checked my mails to see I had any online classes, and also I can check my emails and reply to a few people. And then I had my shower and I dressed up, and my mother made breakfast for me, and she made chapati and aloo curry, and by the way it is so tasty and I really enjoyed it. I stayed at home today and also I did my work and I did my online classes as well, and I did my video editing and script writing. Okay, so after that I had my lunch in the afternoon, and after had my lunch I just read some pages from a book. Then I took a small power nap, and in the evening I just went for a walk. After that I went to shopping along with my friend. There is something happened, which is I met my childhood friend and we just talked for a while and we memorized our school memories and also childhood memories, and we laughed for a while, and also we went to a restaurant, and I came back to my home, and also I did my video schedule. Okay, so I put my video schedule in a YouTube channel, and also I did my work, I did my studies. Today my mood was full of happiness and also energetic because I met my childhood friend and we had a great time in restaurant, and I consider it as a special moment. Yeah, any bad thing happened? Nothing. I consider this day as a good day. And also, yeah, this is productive day I consider, because it went very well how I planned. Was there anything exciting happened today? Well, nothing happened, but I'm really looking forward to tomorrow, because I'm going to my auntie's home tomorrow, and I will meet my cousin sisters. Okay. Yes, guys, so this is how I describe about my whole day. Okay, so now this is your turn. You should describe about your whole day and keep remember what I said. So I already mentioned some points, right? You should keep remember those points when you are describing your whole day. Okay, so yes, we are at the end of the video right now. So in my past video I already told you, right, at the end of the video we are going to learn a word every single day, right? So this is the time to learn a word. Okay, today word of the day is serene. Serene means calm and peaceful. Okay, so when a place or a person is calm and peaceful with no noise or stress, then we can say it as serene. It gives a feeling of relaxation. Okay, so now this is the time to make some sentences with this word. Okay, so I'm going to make some sentences. Yes, the first word, the first sentences is I love serene sound of birds in the morning. The second sentence is she found a serene spot to read her book. And the third sentence is after the rain, everything felt fresh and serene. And the fourth sentence is meditation helps me feel calm and serene. And the fifth sentence is village is a serene place to live. Right? So now this is your turn. Make as many sentences as possible in the form of comments with a word serene. Okay, so I will be ready to read your comments. Okay, this is the day 1 of 7 days challenge, guys, and also I want to know if you did this challenge or not, and if you or did this challenge, you have to come here and do let me know in the form of comments. There's I did it. Okay, yes, I will be ready to read your comments. And this is all about today's video, guys, and I think this video is useful to you, and I will be come up with another video tomorrow. Okay, so till then, take care of yourselves, and please give it a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye bye.